I haven't done anything here. You know?
Can I eat you tonight?
This is what you put on your website, really? Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Let's see, somebody's crying here. Where are you? Hubs! Why you're crying, little boy? Where are you? Hubs! Where the heck is he? Hubs, where are you? Asan yun? Umiyak. Itong dalawa din parang sunod ng sunod. Ano ba? Where is your brother? Where are you, little boy? Nah, wala dito. Asan yung kapatid ninyo? Ang lakas ng iyak. That's Dimples. Hubsy boy! Where are you, little bug? Nah, wala talaga. Asan man yung buang na yun? Hubs! Tingnan natin sa basement. You're over there. You're crying. Why are you crying? Huh? Come up here. Nandun ka sa basement? Come. Come here. Hi guys. Good morning. Morning guys. Alis tayo. Nagbihis na ako. Ready na lahat. Yun yung inasikaso ko this morning. Naglalaba din. Alis, iwan ko lang yan. And then, dalhin ko itong aso. Punta kami sa dada nila. Yan. Why are you crying, huh? What is the problem? Tignan nga natin kung anong problema dito kasi ay, gusto kang pumasok sa yung aso andun sa doon sa loob pa. Kukunin ko sila. I-ano ko lang tong GoPro para meron tayong lagyan ba dito siya. Ilagay ko siya dito sa sa okay lang ba dito? Tignan nyo guys. Nandiyan na baby. No. Roxy. So, we will see you later. I'll see you home. Hindi ko na kayo i-mount. And yun lang, I need gas too. Si Tami, tunawagan ko siya. And then yun, tulog pa yung Z118. Tulog pa. So yan, see you. Bye-bye. See you sa house, Roxy. Tell them, Roxy. Hey. You will see them at the housey. To see the dowsy. You're going to see the dowsy very soon. Ngayon, drive tayo. Andun yung dalawa sa likuran. And don't worry, safe ako dito kasi hindi traffic. Walang traffic and I'm in the right speed. Kaso, may sasakyan, may truck dito sa likuran ko na dumidit-dit sa puwitan ko. Hi guys, I am here. And of course, my husband is honey, don't do that, honey. It's funny when you... No, honey! You're like you're sucking.
What are you doing?
Anyway, I'm here and I'm cooking rice. And also, I'm going to start after we eat lunch. Dinala ko yung niluto ni Lloydie na Lloydie cooked yesterday sinigang. So I'm gonna let Tammy like a sinigang thingy. Now I wanna check my dog.
Let them enjoy themselves a little bit. You're the most overprotective dog mother I ever met.
Because, hon, there's a lot of coyote everywhere.
You're right, hon. We've been outside for about a minute, and all of a sudden you gotta call me. Oh, you've been out there a minute. Let's go in. That's why they want to go out all the time, hon. They're annoying because you don't let them be out for any time.
Well, I'm very protective. If we have a kid, hon.
It's called overprotective. It's called insanity.
and sanit. Listen, if we have a kid,
Right.
no, the kids.
You send them to school. The minute they open the door to the school, you
I will
go
be
back in the
there.
car, take them home.
I will be
Now
there.
let them actually go to class.
I will be there and watch.
Okay.
Especially this country. This is the.
Yes. Sugar fruit.
And that's a song, huh? Yeah. Guys, I thought he drink this. Look at he drink only very little. I thought it's only here. Now he's
2
here.
tablespoons a day of apple cider vinegar with mother mixed with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 8 ounces of water with 1 tablespoon of nut shells and with 1 tablespoon of magnesium powder. Is that it? You get it? Leave them alone. Don't eat your friggin' lunch or something.
What do you want me to do now?
Leave them alone and eat your lunch. They're fine, huh?
Roxy? Don't even think about it.
A minute later, you're going to be asking me to go out and you're going to annoy me. Okay, they're going to annoy you. If they're annoying you to go out, it's okay with me.
Somebody should be protecting the kids.
I'm protecting them. I'm making sure
No, you don't protect them.
I'm making sure they have an emotionally healthy, happy lifestyle.
You have happy lifestyle? Kidding me?
No. They need to go outside and run around.
Summer. Wait for summer. Ito yung gagawin ko dito. Ano tayo dyan? Sus, ang gandang house. Ang gandang bahay na ito. Pero, oh my God. Itong bahay na to is maganda talaga siya as in. Kaso lang, hindi magandang tignan dahil sa gamit. Look at this, guys. This is a massage chair. Dalhin ito sa bahay. Pero guys, look who ruined it. Look who ruined the massage chair, Han.
Hobbs.
Hobbs ruined it, guys. Did anybody claim this?
Well, originally, Isabel wanted it.
Huh?
Isabel and Ray wanted it originally.
Okay, then give it to them. If not, if they don't ask this anymore, can we bring it home?
Yeah.
And put it in.
No, this match is pretty close.
It's a massage chair. It's really expensive massage chair, guys. Huh? What happened? Do you like it?
The colors match close. They're not the same brand.
Yeah, you said you ordered the same brand.
They don't sell them as a set. No, they don't sell them as a set. That's why I like
This is thicker. Where did you get this? You get this from
Models.
Models.
Yeah,
You
but they're
have
not carrying it anymore.
the white one, Han. It's funny. I don't understand why you get white.
What's wrong with white? I know I don't use white as a rule. Extra large. I order large.
Well, you need it, honey.
No, everything else is large. I don't know how this one will be extra large.
Well, accidentally, probably.
Whatever.
Bring it because I'm gonna put all the thing. The pads also because you
Yeah.
need it here. I'll bring it back tomorrow.
I'm gonna try these though. I know that, huh?
Are you gonna try that first? Are you gonna get naked with us? Baby, get naked. Come here, come, baby, come here. Lolo, me touch.
I'm not up.
You said you're going to charge him with that too?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I will expect you money from it.
So do I.
So do I.
I can't give him stuff like this.
How much each is that?
It's pretty small. It's good. They were on sale, $106.
That's expensive. What do you gonna put in there?
I could give him backup to all his stuff that he shows.
He asked you for that, Tommy? Or you just did it yourself?
Because I tell him every year, why don't we just add to the drives you have? He knows you want separate drives every year. So, okay, it's your money. Any little,
So that means my hard drive would...
You drop them, there's a good chance they'll never work again.
So the hard drive that I have, all the
Be very
videos,
careful with them.
all the videos I have is gonna lose if possible.
Absolutely.
So how I
Damage
can...
the drive, it's gone.
How can I save it safe and not ruined?
Don't ever drop the drive. Don't shake it, drop it. Do you understand what a hard drive is? Okay. And if you drop it, if you bounce the record player, you bump it, it like jumps across. Hard drive is a disc with a thing that goes across like a needle that goes across the disc. But they're very tiny and very delicate. You drop them and they break, and that's it. They count, and it's done. Any little shock can destroy a hard drive, even in your computer.
I'm going to eat that I can start over here. And then back to kitchen
Even
after.
the hard drive in your computer can
I know.
be destroyed that way, just by dropping it or...
Holiday. Han, I'm going to Target later with you. Hey, Saturday, I'll ask you permission. Saturday, Me, Lou, Jay, and Lloydie, and Mark. The only thing is you cannot go with me because you're working. It's like a party. No, but it's like a, and maybe I can find some nice. It's a Valentine kind of thing. Okay. Can I look over there?
Yeah.
What? But this kind of adobo, you know what it is? I put water, a lot of vinegar, lime. Because I don't want to change it. And I clean this table.
I haven't done anything here. The only thing I did was take this out. Because I needed that. See that thing up there?
What is that? Oh yeah, what is that? I see that. Anyway guys, we are going to eat because my baby is, I wanna eat tonight. Can I eat you tonight? Can I eat you tonight?
This is what you put on your website, really? Serious? Huh?
We're married.
I don't care. We don't do that.
Oh, we don't do that?
Huh? Do stuff like that. You're kidding me.
I'm gonna get naked and post it. Of course I'm not. Am I stupid, honey? Am I stupid to you? You don't watch that. Tapos na kaming kumain. And natawa ako sa mga comment. Natawa ako sa mga comment dahil sa ano yung joke ni Tami na may, sa baka yung another asawa niya. Kaya nga andito ako sa isang bahay guys para i-check ko kung nasaan yung wife. Tinago ba dito guys? O tinago. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to the basement. Okay, so ilagay ko kayo somewhere down the road. The road are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Anyway guys, so yun, start tayo mag time lapse. I will probably use my, I cannot look, ang ganda ng room, diba? Oh, kahoy pa yung sa ibabaw, oh. Yun. So, yun yung chandelier ni Bianan. Maganda yan, hold on. Maganda yan, guys. Crystal, kasi ang dumi, guys, oh, ang kapal ng dumi, dust. So, kapag lilinisin mo siya, yung spark, mag-spark talaga yan. Maganda siya, as in antique, guys, antique. So, yun yung ano ko, gusto ko, pero hintayin lang natin sa. But anyway, I will be time-lapsing myself over here, and then I just need box. That's all I need. I think, igalay ko kayo dito. Ito yung Yoho na box. Ilong ko sa dust. Ay, Han! Tommy! What? Do you need me? What? Do you need me? No. Nakikinig lang ako ng music guys while ang hirap linisin. Hirap linisin. Marami pa. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, wala na akong cereal doon. Wala na daw siyang cereal, pero tignan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus marami pa rin sa ibabaw ng refrigerator. So, dito na ako na area. Dito. And then dito, ito na yung basura. Dadalhin sa bahay. Yan. Hindi ko to dalhin kasi sabihanan ko yan. Mga papel na hindi ko pa kayang tignan. So, nilagay ko siya dito. And ito, gamit kami. Basura. Yun. Inano ko lang siya. Parang ganun-ganun ba? Yun, para easy na. No, ito itapon. Ito dalhin. Diyan, yun lang. Yun yung ano. Hindi pa ko tapos. Itong si Tami, ang tigas ng ulo. Hard head.
I'm a hard head.
You are.
Tell your viewers what do you think is an adequate amount of time for the dogs to be outside?
I let them out.
Enough time for them to pee and get back in before it stops trickling from down their legs.
Why you do that to me?
Because it's true.
I'm worried. How many times your dog is out, honey? Running around this neighborhood? How many times? Happen a lot, right?
When they were little, it happened a couple times.
No. They cannot jump when they're already this big. Mom, I remember. Mom always like, she freaked out because that was like 4 or 5 years ago.
You watch out for them. You tell them not to leave the yard.
I can't do my thing, guys, because like...
You can't keep them locked in the house all the time.
Yeah, but I'm worried, hon.
It's not good for them. It's not healthy for them. It doesn't make them happy. It doesn't make them healthy. It's not...
Then we need to fix properly our fence over there.
That's over there, fine.
They're not enjoying. They're just sitting there and make their ass dirty.
They're enjoying the sun. They're enjoying the fresh air. They're enjoying outside.
Look, she keep crying.
She's crying. She's barking at every...
Hi. Hello. Hi, Rox. What? What? Hi, Misty. Hi, Roxy. I'm sleepy, baby. Roxy. Hala, down. Don't. Get down over there. Get down. She's crying. She's crying. She's so some. Hey, get down. No. You don't listen. I'll let you in. Kaloka itong mga. Roxy, down. Roxy, listen. Stay. Stay over there. You're a crybaby. I see your ass. Hello. 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 Get down, Roxy. Get down. It's not even summer. You're huffing and puffing. Look, she's trying to tell Dada.
I don't want to let you out.
No.
I know exactly what you want. Thank you. I don't want to let you out. I let you out and your mother bugs me because
she's
I let you
kissing you. What?
Out. I'll just keep it up until you let me out.
Huh? There's a lot of squirrel over there. Come to Mama.
Yeah. Do I look like Mama to you? Do I look like Mama to you?
I know. I know she's trying to tell her this.
Ow.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh, scratch your mama. Take the camera out of her hands.
Okay, I will let you out, baby. Come to me. Come to me. Look what your Dada doing now. I need a box.
Oh?
This small box.
Oh, the one that we just got from Amazon. That's right.
Amazon? Oh, yeah. I need a garbage.
You guys need your glasses?
No, that box is for my sisters.
Only tapes?
No, those dresses. Who took it out?
I don't know.
That's supposed to be over there.
Well, this box is full.
All the dresses over there, that's mine. For my sister.
Yeah, I know that. Picture for you. Yes.
Is this yours? Oh yeah, it's nice, hon. Is this yours or mom? I think it's mom.
Maybe it is one. I don't know.
Huh?
Back in the box. Wrap it back. No, wrap it back in there. So it doesn't get scratched.
So why everything is in there?
So apparently after they ate Lion's dishes, went to look over there in the corner.
Maybe this is Isabel, hon.
This is all up.
Maybe this is what she's been looking for. Like all the dishes that she's looking for.
These are wedding favors from this.
Oh, over there, that's what she's looking for, look.
That's what I said. They were over there. I see them up and thinking.
So I will put Isabel in this side here, close to her wedding gown. So he's picking my outfit. I have like that, you know.
Okay, that's it, guys. That's our fashion show for the day.